Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Google's drawing today. So you log into your Google account, you press this square right here, and you go to Drive. So from here you will go to Folder, More, and then Drawings right here. So I will title my drawing as Kanice Drawing Project. Alright, so Google's drawing can be utilized for many different things. You can use it to make posters, you can use it to just make anything, flyers, anything you need. So, see right here, file, you can do everything else, page setup. You can change it if you want widescreen, customize it. So let's see, let me change it. So I'm gonna do a 10 by 10. Okay, so you can edit it. You can view it different ways. You can insert an image. You can upload it from your computer, search from the web. So I'm gonna make, let's say, a Thanksgiving poster or anything like that. So I'll use that. Press insert. I could move it out as far as I want to make it fit the poster that I want. Let's see, I can also insert a text box right here, and I can also move it to where I want it to go. So I can text on like, you are invited to our for Thanksgiving RSVP at number for head count. So when I do that, I would make it a little bit bigger if you want to. I would also make it bigger like that. You can make it bold. You can change your font size, your font period. You can change the color to blue or anything of that matter. Yeah, you can do all that. The lining and spacement and everything like that. So you can share it. So when you share it, you can put in the names, the email addresses, and you can also make it private. Since it's something that you have at your house, you will probably want it private and send it to certain people. Or if you were just making a meme or a poster or anything of that matter, you can make it public so other people can use your memes. So yeah, so this is how you would use Google Drawing. Thank you for watching.